Today's video is about the most powerful, simple and easy, just one exercise sitting in a chair which is completely ancient and has scientific backing. This is all about yoga. Yoga, how is it going to make you help lose weight, especially sitting in a chair? That's the catch. If you're able to do this very easy, simple yoga exercise sitting in a chair, you're bound to lose calories and bound to lose oodles of weight with just performing this very exercise on a daily basis. This chair yoga that I'm going to teach you today can also be converted into office yoga, and a home workout is known as chair Surya Namaskar. Now this is a combination of certain asanas, if performed correctly with the right breathing technique, can actually help you burn a lot of calories, get a toned slim waist, and definitely help with your posture and overall health. Surya Namaskar, when literally translated, actually means Surya as in sun and Namaskar equal to salutation, and the sun salutation is often performed standing in the right correct posture, can bring immense benefits when done early in the morning facing the sun. But what if it's too complicated for you to perform? Are you gonna give up so easily? I won't let you. When I was really overweight, I started doing the original Surya Namaskar, but I found it to be a little too tough on my back, my posture, and I just would give up so easily. But how could I, knowing the benefits of Surya Namaskar? Then I came across chair Surya Namaskar. I thought this is completely beginner friendly, very easy to perform, which I could possibly do from start to end and see the amazing results. You will be able to burn more calories, you will feel much better, the extra gases, your digestion system, everything is just going to be fine, and you will eventually feel so much lighter and so much rejuvenated. So before we proceed further, it's important for you to know when to do this exercise. The most best method of doing this exercise is early in the morning on an empty stomach. So don't forget to keep a chair by your bedside. The moment you wake up in the morning, have a glass of water, freshen up, and then this is the right time to do this very exercise. But for those who do not have time early in the morning and they have to rush to work or do their daily chores, what are they supposed to do? You can actually do it either in the afternoon or evening, but make sure you have a gap of at least 2 hours between your meal and this very powerful exercise. So what are we waiting for? Let's begin this super easy, absolutely effective version of Surya Namaskar. This is known as chair yoga, chair Surya Namaskar. Let's bring it on. So to begin the exercise, we're going to keep our shoulders pushed backwards and go all the way back in the chair with your spine straight, your core tucked in tight. Come in the Namaskaram position, the pranam position. Inhale and go all the way back. Let all the air fill into your lungs. Open up your chest. Now come down, stretching your spine. Exhale completely. Touch the floor with your palms. And if you can't touch it with the palms, then take it easy. Now inhale and lift your right knee. Exhale and try and touch your forehead to the knee. Hold it in that position. Now inhale while taking it out. And now exhale again, touching your palms to the floor. Inhale again, lift your left knee to your chest. Exhale, touch your forehead again to the knee. Inhale again with your leg down. Exhale again, go down to the floor, touch your palm. Now inhale again, back. Keep stretching your spine as far as you can. Exhale and come back in the Namaskar position. So as you can see, I showed you the step-by-step version of chair Surya Namaskar. If you think you have understood the breathing, the posture, then let's do it with me together just a little bit faster. If you don't want to do it this slow, then you can do it at my pace right now. Let's do about 10 counts together. me, this hardly took about 5 to 10 minutes of your daily routine just to perform this exercise. Now, I've shown you 10 counts. Why don't you take it up to 20, 30, 40, 50, and you will definitely see great results with each increase in your reps. And first of all, you have to try and do it early in the morning, because the energy you get from the sun will convert into an energy which you will carry through the whole day, which will keep you rejuvenated, energized. And don't forget to sleep early and wake up early, because the sleep cycle itself is also very important to lose weight. And don't forget to drink up at least 3 to 4 liters of water daily, and also practice clean eating. That's a very important principle. If you don't follow clean eating and eat all the junk food and processed food, it will be of no help to perform exercise, because maximum part of your day, food is what contributes to weight gain, and there is no shortcut. So if you need a companion and if you want to lose weight soon, then you can follow my customized paid diet plans, which you can absolutely achieve by just clicking on the link below in the description. Get in touch with me and my team will help you lose weight. And also, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you have any questions regarding today's super easy exercise, do let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to like the video, share it, subscribe to my channel, and also hit the bell notification. I'll see you soon with many more exciting videos. Until then, take care.